Are you tired of creating boring traditional presentations? Do you want to create professional presentations? If so, here's another PowerPoint trick to improve your presentations. First, we need to change the background color of the slide. Go to Design, click Format Background, then select Orange. You are free to choose Gradient Fill. Now we need to add an image of an orange with a transparent background. Go to Insert, then click Pictures. Then specify the path of the image on your device. After that, resize the image to make it small. Next, place your mouse over the image, press and hold the Control button on your keyboard, and then drag the image with your mouse to duplicate it. Repeat this step until you fill the slide with the image of small oranges, then distribute these images on the slide as you wish. Next, select all the small orange images. Then right-click on them. Then choose Group. Next, select the small orange images group. Then press and hold the Control button on your keyboard. Then drag with your mouse to duplicate the group of images. Then, swipe down to place the second group of photos below the first group of photos. Now, we need to add a new image of a different orange with a transparent background. Go to Insert, then click Pictures. Then select the image path on your device. Next, resize the new orange images to the size you want, but it should be larger than the first orange image. Next, go to Format Pictures. Then click Artistic Effects. Then select the blur effect. Then adjust the radius value to 15. Next, place your mouse on the image of the large orange, press and hold the Control key on your keyboard, and then drag with the mouse to duplicate the image. Repeat this process until you have enough images of the large orange. Then distribute them on the slide as you want. Next, select all images of large oranges. Then click the right mouse button. Then select the group option. Next, select the first group and the second group for the small orange image. Then click the right mouse button. Then select the group option so that all the small orange images are in one group. Now, we start adding the text we want to the slide. Go to the Insert menu. Then click on Text Box. Click your mouse in the middle of the slide, then type the phrase you want. The font size of the phrase should be small. Next, we need to duplicate the slide. Right-click on the first slide. Then select the Duplicate Slide option. Select the second slide, and then select the text on it. Then double the text size, then adjust its position to be in the middle of the slide. Now, select the large orange image group, and then drag the top corner slightly until the orange image is enlarged. Next, create a new copy of the second slide, in the same way we copied the first slide. Next, drag the text box to the center at the top of the slide. Then reduce the text size by half from its current size. Next, select the small orange image group. Then press and hold the mouse. Then drag the image up a little. You can repeat the previous steps until you have enough slides for your presentation. On each slide, don't forget to switch between raising the group of small and large oranges to the top slightly. After you've finished adjusting your slides, it's time to apply the final touch, which is the slide transition effect. Select the first slide, go to the Transitions menu, then select the Morph option. Then repeat the same steps with the rest of the presentation slides. Now, press the F5 key on your keyboard and enjoy the professional presentation you just created. Did you like this presentation? Don't forget to subscribe to the channel to receive new similar videos.